Alright, welcome back to another video. Back in the workshop today, just doing a few repairs to the S14 after an absolute epic weekend at the Genesis Massive Drift Track. The car got a little bit of a hammering. So here I've cut out the bent section of the bash bar, straightened it out the best that I could, and welded in some new bits. Also got a new intercooler as the old one was absolutely toast. This new one's a bar and plate, so it's a bit more robust and heavy duty. Waiting on some new brackets to mount it onto the car. Also made up a new fixture to hold the headlight, so it wasn't really too bad, just a bit of welding here and there and a bit of straightening, and new intercooler. Also a little bit of progress on the S15 build. So we've got a quick time bellhousing that goes from the L98 block onto our Jericho 4-speed dog box. And here you can see I'm making a little bit of clearance in the bell housing for the starter motor to sit.